Auditing a Klaviyo account helps ensure that your email marketing campaigns are optimized for performance, compliance, and customer engagement. Here's a step-by-step guide to audit a Klaviyo account. Check account settings, user permissions. Review user access to ensure only authorized personnel have access to sensitive account areas. API keys. Check API keys and integrations for unnecessary or outdated connections. Review lists and segments. Lists. Ensure your lists are segmented correctly and not overpopulated. Clean up any inactive or outdated lists. Segments. Audit segments for relevance, ensuring they are targeting the right audience based on user behavior and demographics. Analyze flows. Automation flows. Review your flows to ensure they are optimized, working, and triggering as expected. Flow performance. Check the open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates of automated flows to gauge effectiveness. Audit campaigns. Past campaigns. Review sent campaigns for performance metrics like open rate, click-through rate, and unsubscribe rates. Look for patterns or issues. A/B tests. Audit A/B tests for lessons learned and apply insights to future campaigns. Check compliance. Unsubscribe links. Ensure all emails have visible and functional unsubscribe links. GDPR or privacy compliance. Make sure data collection practices adhere to GDPR and other privacy regulations.